in the 30-second, right? Like that. Clockwise, just like Kathy. I believe that. More options on this web party product. This one doesn't have it, but it's the same price. So for me, it's worth buying the party. It's affordable, something the other product doesn't have. In this one, I would do it with 6. All companies want to improve their products and make them better and better. It comes down to practicality. It's not just a selfish aspect of improving the product, but actually to do better for the people we all live with. It's massive. Yeah. I think that the potential of the brand is large, trust me. Price point is low, but quality is high. A total winner. Okay? Let's play. I'm the Marty. Yeah, exactly, yeah. Hand donation of the gift to Baylor College. It shows that the high quality, decent price point. So I think that's really, really good to see. Price doesn't always dictate the quality. No, I'm glad there are some brands where there was no customer service. I've never had a professional experience with the customer service. Thank you. From now on, I'll take care of it. Like with a different charger. Yeah. So now, those oil refineries, okay, and the USA, and our European summer special. So you're calling it a power wall, right? Yeah, that was amazing.